Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a protective case inside the box. Let's open for the box. Some paperwork. This is the USB cable and the adapter. Let's just also check this paper box. And yeah, so what is it? I think this is the okay. So this is not the protective case. Unfortunately, our device comes without the case, and if you wanna use it with your device, you should buy the case separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.